Hey guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. So today I'm going to be making a salad that has a personal history for me. When I was researching this particular salad, I couldn't find too much information about its origination here in the United States. It appears that this particular salad, the origination of it here and across the pond in the UK, nobody can really knows where it came from. So the salad that I'm speaking about is egg salad. I have a personal history with it. My grandmother used to make a wonderful egg salad. It was one of my dad's favorite salads, egg salad. And my mother was involved in a lot of social organizations when I was a little girl, and so when she would have our different affairs catered and things like that, we would have egg salad sandwiches with the crust cut off, along with cucumber sandwiches and all kinds of different things. And then when we would go over to other my parents' friends' homes for gatherings, parties, and philanthropic events that my parents were involved in, and those people as well, they would have egg salad sandwiches there too. So it was always a constant in my life and in the lives of those around me. And so I'm going to share the recipe, our family recipe for egg salad. And I have a little egg salad sandwich right here. You can see that it looks really, really, really good. It is excellent. It is the best. This recipe is the best, I swear. So I invite you to join me over here, and I'll give you all of the ingredients and show you how the egg salad is made here with our family. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all over here in just a second. All right, guys, so this is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1/8 of a teaspoon of lemon juice. You're just going to combine that and mix that together. Okay, so that's the lemon juice and the mayonnaise, and you can use any kind of salad dressing, meaning mayonnaise or Miracle Whip or whatever you would like to use for this part of it, okay? And then we're going to have 3 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to make sure that your butter and your cream cheese are room temperature, and this is Philadelphia cream cheese, full fat. Okay, so you're going to combine that together. And egg salad, similarly to like chicken salad and tuna salad, once you have everything done, it doesn't take that long to combine everything together. The longest amount of time that it's going to take is for your eggs to boil. And I'll link in the description box my how to boil eggs, how to have the perfectly boiled egg. I'll link that in the description box if you if you need assistance with boiling your eggs. Okay. I just boiled mine, and the shell just, when you crack it, it just kind of just falls off. It's a good method. And so we have here 6 boiled eggs, and over here, you're going to want to grate some onion and celery. So we've got about 2 tablespoons of celery and a tablespoon of yellow onion grated here in this dish. And so I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs, and we're just going to mash these up. And you can use one of those egg masher things, but if you don't have one of those egg masher things, you can just use the back of a spoon or use a fork. And you can even dice up your egg as well, if that makes it easier, and then mash from there. And you want to make sure that your eggs are at least room temperature, like that you boil them, and if you take the shell off the egg, don't make this dish with them steaming hot, okay? Because it'll mess up your mayonnaise, it'll cook the onion and the celery, and so just wouldn't be a good idea. So just at least make sure you got your eggs to room temperature before you start this process of making your egg salad. All right, now I've got this egg all mashed up, and if you want to mash yours up more fine, you can. I like to see little pieces of the egg white in my egg salad, just so it's evident that this is egg salad and not something else. So I tend to keep just some little pieces of egg white intact, just because I like the way it looks. But you do whatever your druthers is, okay? And then to this, we're going to be adding a teaspoon of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And you can add more black pepper than this if you would like to, okay? When I look at it, I may decide at the end to add more black pepper. It's just to your taste. It's whatever you like and enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and add our cream cheese and butter. mixture. And if you're a person that enjoys onion and celery, you can add more onion and celery than what I added, okay? And you want to make sure you get your cream cheese and your butter evenly distributed throughout all of this, all of your egg. Okay, and then next we're going to go ahead and add our mayonnaise and our lemon juice. And you can add less mayonnaise in this if you would like. It's just whatever whatever your taste, whatever your preference is. And this recipe is based on 6 eggs. So if you, decide that you want to double this recipe, you can, okay? But this is all of the measurements for this is based upon 6 eggs. All right, and so this is done. And so we're gonna stick this in the refrigerator to firm up for about 1 hour. Okay guys, so the egg salad's been in the fridge for a little over an hour, and so I just wanted to show you all how it changes after you have it refrigerated. You can see the firmness, see that? See how firm that is? And that's with the 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise added in there. Now what you can do also is just do 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise or 2 when you're mixing, and then add another tablespoon of mayonnaise once it's firmed up been in the refrigerator for an hour or overnight or what have you. And we've already eaten some of it. Anyway, and so then there's the finished result as well. And I think I showed you all this in the intro of the video as well, but that's what it looks like. Very firm. It stays on your bread or cracker or what have you. And I'm going to use this spoon to do a little taste test for you all. It's really, really, really good. It reminds me of egg salads that my grandmother used to make. So I invite you to try this recipe. Okay, and I thank you all so much for joining me today at 234 En La Casa. I'll see y'all next time.